Well, we'll certainly be among friends next month in Vegas, Morgan, because the International Fastener Expo is coming up, as has been said, and it's shaping up to be another big one.
Yeah, it seems that way. We're looking for a strong turnout this year. Definitely a big rebound from last year. Last year was a little bit of a different year, but still was good to get as many people in person as we could. And this year we're looking pretty good. I think we've got over 300 exhibitors on the domestic side, and actually looking pretty decent on the international side, believe it or not.
Mainly from which countries?
So we have pretty strong participation from Taiwan. I think we're up to about 40 companies there, and then we have India coming in as well. They're about the same.
Really?
Yeah, and new segment actually coming in from Turkey. So first time we're going to have a little international section for them. I think we're expecting about 8 to 10 companies from Turkey, which we're excited to have them. And then, as we know, China has been kind of hit the hardest with some of the lingering COVID issues there. So but we're still expecting around 10 to 15 companies from China, which is actually a little more than we would, thought we might have. And it's kind of going up and down. So it could get better, and we could have more, or could go backwards. So And then we've got all of our other, typical segments, including Korea and a couple from Japan, and a few other international areas.